Hi and welcome back to episode 10 on how to build your own home. We've done a lot of progress on the home. Things are moving really fast right now. The roof is finally on. We're getting ready for interior paint, a lot of the trim. Let's go over everything we've done and see what's next. All right, so with the roof, what we did is we chose an S-style roof. It looks like a traditional Spanish roof. But when you look at the track builders, they use much smaller tiles to make it look more like U-shaped than the S-shape that you get over here. So we think it makes the house feel a lot better. The roof looks a lot nicer. Another thing that we look for when they install the roof that we want to make sure they do is right here between the valley flashings, you want to make sure they cut them far away. As you can see, these flashings run really far into either side of the tiles. So you want to make sure they cut them far apart so the debris could flow through. We see this a lot, and again with the track builders, where they make these tiles almost touch, and that doesn't give enough room for the debris to flow through. So once the debris gets caught, it creates kind of a dam, starts to back up the water, and that water will slip under the tiles, and then that's how you could get a roof leak. The other thing that we're choosing right now is the color of the eaves, of the fascia boards. So we're gonna go with a really dark chocolate color, brown. Looks really nice. We've installed all the trim around the windows, garages. The last time we were inside the house, we were finishing up the insulation and also the drywall. So now everything's been mudded, everything has been textured, primered, so we're moving on to painting the ceilings and the walls. We're going to choose a nice neutral light tan color. We had all the baseboards delivered and trimmed for the doors. We're going to go with a simple baseboard on this one. All right, on the exterior, we saw earlier a little bit of the foam that we did, but again, this is some of the foam trim that has been installed. We got the shutters put in. So for the next episode, the next thing we're going to do is actually stucco the home, finish painting all of the fascia boards and eaves, and then keep moving forward on the interior with the paint, kitchen cabinets, flooring. So we'll see you on the next episodes.